这个出车的地方，所以把这个模型复制了下来，是一个特别有意义。每次国家领导人来，都是在这块跟职工们见面。
CRRC 大连。
你看，这就是最左边这个呢是中国铁路的东西，最右边这个。
We are still inside the factory. The whole factory approximately 3 million square meters. And around the factory there is approximately 5 kilometers the testing railway.
CRRC Dalian Company Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of CRRC Corporation Limited, is a comprehensive high-end rail transit equipment service provider. It focuses on the core business of designing, developing and manufacturing locomotives, urban rail transit vehicles, and clean energy equipment, while also pursuing the coordinated development of a diverse range of related fields. Established in 1899, CRRC Dalian Company Limited has flourished through the transformative era ushered in by China's reform and opening up policies, as well as the progressive evolution of the locomotive and rolling stock industry. As a pillar of China's locomotive industry and a key player in railway development, the company has earned the esteemed title of the Cradle of Locomotives. CRRC Dalian steadfastly anchors its strategy in technology-driven development and aspires to be a powerhouse for the creation and incubation of groundbreaking technology. As a recognized national high-tech enterprise, it possesses an array of prestigious national-level R&D facilities, including a National Enterprise Technology Center, a National Industrial Design Center, an internationally recognized testing calibration laboratory, and the Ministry of Transport's R&D Center for New Energy and Energy-Saving Technologies in Rail Transit Equipment. CRRC Dalian has been taking a proactive role in leading and shaping the modern industrial chain of the rail transit equipment industry. It has developed a comprehensive product portfolio that includes locomotives, multiple units, urban rail transit vehicles, engines, and clean energy solutions. By focusing on application scenarios and demands, it vigorously fosters innovative business models such as Product Plus and System Plus, enhances its integration of digital, intelligent, and eco-friendly technologies, continuously refines its full lifecycle service system, and strives to offer holistic, systematic solutions that span the entire life cycle, from planning and designing to construction and operation. At the heart of CRRC Dalian's vision are the core development principles of high-end, smart, and eco-friendly. Guided by these principles, CRRC Dalian fully aligns with CRRC's policies, embracing the strategic thrusts, including the strategic positioning that focuses on one core business, two key marketing roles, first-class level. The new industrial development landscape characterized by dual development directions and dual product clusters, and the pursuit of 7 breakthroughs by 7 establishments. It nurtures the development of new quality, productive forces that are based on practical needs and vigorously promotes industrial modernization. Its goal is to build an industry-leading rail transit equipment sector characterized by digitalization, premium quality, environmental sustainability, globalization, collaborative partnerships, and a robust brand identity.